petite parade des pilotes pour changer. Je mets un petit peu en accéléré. Hop. Ça a l'air bien nuageux, bien pluvieux cette météo Silverstone en tout cas. Donc départ à 16 h, hein, on le rappelle.
Well, George and Kimmy, hopefully we're all staying dry under these umbrellas. It's very typical British weather here. George, you'll know a little about that. What a special reaction here, George. A home race for you. Just sum up the emotion walking out onto this grid right now.
Yeah, it's amazing. Thank you so much, everybody, for all your support every year. I'm sorry you've probably got a little bit wet this morning, but we hope we can make up for a good race this afternoon and give you something to cheer about.
Yeah, well done to the fans for braving the downpour earlier. George, this cooler weather is very good for a Mercedes, though, isn't it? Typically, you must look out the window this morning and go, yes, we've got a bit of rain and cooler conditions. How much in hand, then, for your race pace, given what the weather we have today?
Yes, definitely better than when it's 30 degrees and sunshine for us. So we'll take that. But of course, when the weather's like this, you never know what's around the corner, and it's stopping raining, it's coming in again. So everyone's going to have to be really alert to the situation, and we'll do our best to fight until the end.
What do you think is going to make the difference today? If we do have a dry race, or indeed the track is drying and it's looking like a one-stop, where can you make up positions?
Right now, I'm not too sure, to be honest, because it's really an unknown. Last year, we saw a pretty crazy race. I think it'll be unlikely we're starting on dry tyres, and maybe we'll be on slicks at some point. But as I said, all we can do is drive as quick as we can, and I just hope we give a good race to the fans.
Thank you very much, George. Kimmy, I'm going to come to you. A three-place grid drop obviously means that you do start P10 today. What is possible from there?
Well, it's wet. We're in the UK, so anything can happen. But I think it's going to be a very exciting race. We'll see how the track is going to be when we'll be about to start. But yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good race, and hopefully the fan will enjoy.
And Kimmy, you've had a pretty masterful drive in the wet in F2 here before, so you must be pretty glad to see that it's still raining. What's your forecast saying, though, for the race start?
To be honest, it wasn't really meant to rain now, but we were expecting some rain just before the race starts. So probably it's going to be a wet start, but at the same time it might be drying out.
Very quickly, are you going to start on the hard or the medium?
Probably going to start on the medium.
All right, thank you very much, guys. Mercedes drivers George Russell and Kimi Antonelli, best of luck. And I hear you have a surprise for a grandstand over there as well. It's this one here. Yeah, that's it.
All right, so apparently in this grandstand, underneath your seats, there are 25 tickets, I believe, silver tickets. So have a look, check it out. I believe it's a QR code. I'm not too sure, but there should be some gifts for you. So have a look and yeah, enjoy it.
Great stuff. Thank you very much. George and Kimi, wish them well.
So here we are, Lewis. A very special, maybe a little bit surreal moment. You racing at your home Grand Prix for the first time in red. How are the emotions?
Yeah, very much high.
Il est là, Lewis Hamilton, le Rainmaster.
But obviously, I've never seen so many Brits in red. So it's amazing. Big thank you to everyone coming out. It's very reminiscent of some of the old days we used to race here in the rain. So
let's talk about those old days. 2008, that masterclass in the wet. Your first win at your home Grand Prix, the first of 9. What chance of emulating that today?
It's only the second time driving this Ferrari in the rain, so it didn't go down too well in the first one. But I'm hoping the car is in a better place this weekend, so we shall see. I definitely hope today is a good day. I mean, but I love that it's raining. This is good old English weather.
I mean, you just had such an amazing response from all the fans. Something very special happens when you come back here, even in spite of the rain. So just tell us about the fans and the difference they make.
Oh, they make a huge difference. I mean, this is I get all nervous when this week's coming up because naturally it's the week that you want to deliver the most for the people you feel closest to. And every year I come here, the support it's really been overwhelming even from day one, 2007, when I got that pole position. I wasn't expecting that reaction, and they've been ride or die with me for so long, and they are really what make this Grand Prix this incredibly fantastic special Grand Prix that it is. And so this is by far my favorite one to come to. I wish we had more. I wish there was at least 2 British Grand Prix in the year, but thanks to all these guys, I get to really enjoy it. So
have an amazing day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tombe encore fort hein, quand même. Hein. Dans certaines parties du circuit. Oscar va falloir se révéler être le très bon pilote sous la pluie là. On compte sur toi. Hein.
Now, of course, Lando won at your home Grand Prix. Is it about time you paid him back here?
It'd be nice. I mean, I'm just trying to win every Grand Prix I can, really. Yesterday was a good day, so yeah, I think we're in a good position too. I'm not putting any extra emphasis on it, really, but Silverstone's always a track I've wanted to win at, so I'll do it for that.
And what about in these conditions? I mean, it is pretty intense out here right now. There'll be a lot of standing water come the race, even if it stops raining.
Yeah, I mean, at the moment it's pretty nasty out here, so hopefully it stops raining, because otherwise it's going to be pretty treacherous. But I think even if it does, like you said, it's going to be wet to start at least, so let's see what we get. But I think everyone's driven Silverstone in the wet at some point in their career, so everyone's got a bit of experience.
Have a great day today. Thanks for your time.
Cheers.
I mean, as a girl from Northampton, I feel like I need to say sorry. I mean, this weather is insane. You weren't expecting
Charles Leclerc. Ce vent qu'il y a, mais c'est incroyable. Ils arrivent à peine à tenir les parapluies là.
How much of a leveler is the rain? Does it sort of leave it wide open?
Unfortunately, we haven't been so competitive in the past in the rain. So, but I hope that today we are more competitive. It's conditions that I've always loved driving on, and I hope that today is a turnaround in order to have a great race and great result.
I want you to get back in the dry, but we've still got a bit of the track to go. Are you freezing?
I'm quite cold, yes.
I'm sorry, but enjoy the race. Go well.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ollie, you were waving away at your family in the BRDC. Just tell us about the buzz of racing here for the first time in Formula One.
Il doit être très déçu, lui.
Yeah, I couldn't quite
10
follow
places de
it. I was
peinard.
making sure I wave in the vicinity, that way I don't get in trouble. No, it's amazing to be here. Maybe not in this weather, but you know, this is just a British summer day for us. Yeah, it's amazing to be here. You know, the fans have been fantastic all weekend, and my first British GP, hopefully it goes well today.
We Brits just love talking about and considering the weather, but what kind of an impact will this deluge have on the race today?
Honestly, I'm pretty happy with the rain because you know, I qualified 8th yesterday, but with a penalty P18, quite far out of it, and I think the rain gives us a chance to score some points and hopefully have some good overtakes today.
Great stuff. Enjoy. Really enjoy this.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
I mean, this is pretty hectic, isn't it? This is crazy.
It is. Yeah, I'm sorry for the fans, you know, that they are there, but hopefully they see a good race, you know, and hopefully multiple pit stops and weather changing, you know, a couple of times in the race, and you know, some crazy results, you know, to end the weekend in a good way.
Yeah, I mean, you've been promoted a couple of places, so can you hang on to that 7th or even push forward?
Let's see. Obviously, with this weather, we will have some opportunities, but yeah, I think I will be happy to finish in the top 7 at the end of the race.
And what's it like having the team right on the doorstep here? I mean, it couldn't be a close-to-home race.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, it feels great. You know, it's the home Grand Prix for the team. We have a lot of people from the staff, you know, joining us in the weekend and visiting the garage. And hopefully, as I said, you know, a nice result will be a good thing today. And yeah, a lot of Aston Martin fans on the grandstand, so that's good to see.
Fantastic. Have a great race. Thanks very much. Isn't this gorgeous? Balmy Silverstone afternoon. How lovely. Can we claim you as British?
Oh, Hamilton Junior a réussi à faire la pole. Tiens, question, est-ce que t'as eu une notif? Parce que j'ai l'impression, des fois, il n'y a pas de notif. C'est insupportable, ce Twitch, là. Oh, la flotte, regardez. Le vent qu'il y a et la pluie, quoi, qui tombe. Je sais pas si ça va durer comme ça jusqu'à 16h, quand il y aura le départ, mais... Mais non, il est pas là. Non, regarde le chat. T'es le premier à poster, ça fait 20 minutes, quoi. C'est pour ça que je te demande, est-ce que t'as eu une notif, en fait? Parce que là, j'ai l'impression que non, hein. Des fois, vous avez pas les notifs, ça me saoule, en fait. Comme hier, il y avait personne dans le chat, hier soir. Bah oui. Bah ouais, voilà, c'est ça, c'est le problème. C'est quand même relou, hein. Et bah t'as bien fait. T'as bien fait, parce que du coup t'as eu la pole. Ah oui, des fois, Twitch ne lance pas les notifs, donc effectivement... c'est la deuxième fois que ça arrive en 24 heures, là. Ça commence à être pénible. Je crois que ça a l'air d'être fini. Ah non, c'est pas fini encore. Regardez le vent. Regardez le vent.
British, so we know what to expect, and I mean we'll try our best. It's very extreme conditions. I wanted some rain, I must say, so not gonna complain about it. Hopefully it mixes things up for everyone, for us on track, gives us more opportunity, and also for the fans. I'm sure they're gonna love it. So.
And a great day for you yesterday. Probably a bit unexpected and promoted up to P8.
Yeah,
so yeah, quite impressive away.
It was an amazing quali. I must say we expected to struggle a lot. Like the whole weekend's been very tricky, but yeah, yesterday we did a very good job. Hopefully we can repeat that today, and yeah, I'm excited for it.
Thank you. Good luck today. Thanks a lot.
J'espère qu'ils vont pas retarder la course. C'est pour ça maintenant j'aime plus quand il pleut parce que il reporte tout le temps, c'est chiant. Avant c'était marrant course sous la pluie, mais c'est ouais, je suis d'accord. Je suis d'accord, soit c'est retardé, soit il y a un départ lancé au lieu d'arrêter. Donc ils osent plus les faire rouler en fait sous la pluie, quoi. C'est ça qui est énervant. Merde. Ah, il y a les fans de Max dans le chat de la F1 là. Lando, Max Verstappen les gros débilos, no Verstappen. Ah, il n'y a pas Verstappen, ils sont tristes. En même temps, si c'est pour qu'il se fasse huer, j'ai envie de dire, c'est normal qu'il soit pas là, hein. Non mais sans déconner. Ils sont teubés, hein. Après, c'est à cause de Pirelli, tout ça. Ouais. C'est vrai qu'il y a un peu de ça aussi, quoi. C'est super nuageux. En fait, il y a des éclaircies, mais il y a des gros nuages noirs aussi. C'est compliqué, là, hein. C'est vrai qu'ils n'ont pas montré une seule fois Verstappen. Je me demande même s'il est monté sur le bus, quoi. Ah si, je l'ai vu parler à Ocon et Alonso. Si, je l'ai aperçu vite fait. Mais bon, ils l'ont pas interviewé et c'est pour ça, parce qu'il se fait huer. En fait, c'est tout, ils l'ont pas interviewé. Ils se concentrent sur les Anglais et c'est tout. Hein. Lando qui va tirer sur la foule. Mais il est con! Il a tiré par terre! Mais rapproche-toi! Mais il est débile! Faut se rapprocher du public, Lando. T'as tiré dans le gravier là. Même ça, il y arrive pas, quoi. Mais c'est pas possible, ce mec. C'est le gravier qui va avoir le merchandising. Je me disais bien qu'il était un peu loin. Bah ouais, là... Il n'y a pas une portée de 100 mètres non plus, hein. Voilà, voilà.
It's incredible. Hello, everyone. No, it's amazing. I feel a little bit sorry. I mean, this weather is horrible, but it's British weather, so it should be expected. But incredible to see so many of you here. So thank you very much.
Encore 4 minutes. C'est en replay, hein. C'est passé il y a une demi-heure, quoi.
The sun is especially just going to come around these guys here. So.
Sun always shines on the Lando stand.
It will. So I'm so excited. It's made some. Yeah, it's made my.
De toute façon, après, il y a la grille sur le canal. Puis on se retrouvera à 16h hein, pour le départ. Comme d'hab. Vas-y, vas-y.
I mean, you kind of have to wait and see. To be honest, I don't know. I can't predict all of these things, but you know, I'm excited. I got a lot of motivation. I got a lot of cheers. So we're gonna put on a good show. I got to do some overtaking, and I got to try and move forward.
I think we've got this. Stopped raining. No, has it?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
No, but yeah.
Okay,
we're gonna have a fun race today. So.
Yeah, and of course you have never won your home Grand Prix. You've come close, been on the podium a couple of times. So what about today? Is it going to be today?
Well, we'll try. You know, I wanna give everyone something pretty amazing to cheer about. You know, I want to have a lot of fun at the end of today. So we'll put on a good show. We're gonna have some fun, do some overtaking. I want to try and overtake just in this corner. That's why I qualified in third, was just so I can overtake here in front of everyone. And yeah.
That's definitely a popular move. But just tell me, how surreal is it, just taking all of this in?
I mean, it's a lot of people. It's a lot of people here to cheer me on, and yeah, no pressure for me, no pressure at all. But you know, I want to on a grim, grey day, I want to give them all something to shout and cheer about. So hopefully today's the day.
A little bit of sunshine. Come on, you're bringing the sunshine for Lando Norris.
Le soleil Lando Norris qui brille. Putain la vache. C'est dangereux ça. Pollue la planète Lando Norris. Avec ses machines. Ah là là, sacré Lando. Allez, 2 minutes encore, et après c'est fini. Quel résultat va-t-il faire Lando Norris? Va-t-il jouer la victoire sous la pluie? Ah ça y est, ils ont compris qu'il fallait s'approcher, bravo. Regardez, il va tirer sur la foule, ce fou furieux. Ouais, ça a l'air d'être bon cette fois. Il se rapproche encore pour faire le plus de dégâts. Jamais il lance son bras comme si ça allait changer quelque chose. Oh, il y a eu... Oh! Je crois que... Ah, ça y est, voilà. Là, c'est bien, là. Ok. Ça porte loin, cette merde, hein, quand même. Oh, la pluie! Quelle image, Lando Norris qui tire dans la foule. Spectaculaire. Bon, et à tout à l'heure sur F1 Team et Twitch pour le live. Et le résultat, évidemment, sur cette chaîne, comme d'habitude. On espère une belle course.